Hey family, so let me tell you, God will always overtrain you. Okay? Always overtrain you for your position. So that way, when you get in your position, right, it'll be easy. Because you'll be so used to doing more that when you do less, it'll just flow, like it'll be no effort, right? Okay, so don't encourage doing the training. The training is just so that when you get in that position, you will dominate. And you're gonna dominate because you're just so used to doing more. Because God trained you well. All right? I love you. Have a good day.